Hello everybody and welcome to Freedom Ranch Homestead. My name is Brooke and I am here to update you on a couple things that we've been doing on the ranch the last month or two.
You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you.
So one of the things that I've been wanting to do for a while and we just had not been able to get around to it was to till up some land in order to plant some wildflowers. I had Chuck do 2 strips along either side of our apple and peach orchard, and then I sprinkled some seeds in hopes that they would sprout and give us some nice flowers. If not this year, then definitely next year. This is the mixture that I'm going to be putting down. Hopefully it'll take. It's a little late in the season, but at this point, our motto is better late than never. We want to get those honeybees over here, get some pollination happening, lots of butterflies as well. Ooh, looks like some deer were trying to eat this. That's not good. We got to put the fence around them. And it looks like a storm might be coming in, which is going to be awesome. Will be perfect for these seeds. He's all done. Time for me to spread the seed. That one is done as well. So now we have 2 wildflower garden beds on either side of the apple trees. And I can't wait to see if they sprout anything. And hopefully the butterflies and bees will absolutely love them. For Mother's Day, I was given a beehive box, and the gentlemen are now putting it together for me. Can't wait to get some bees and honey. As Chuck said, we have a Jenga set here to put together. Okay there, babe? Trying to figure it all out?
It's just my brain doesn't work in 3 dimensions.
Really? Never noticed that before. Just comes right at me with those kisses. These little buggers turn. And then you can open this up and voila, see the honeycombs.
We are nearing completion.
Yay.
Famous last words. That's usually the jinx. Go.
Thank you, babe.
Boom.
I like my beehive.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah. Awesome. Even though it's a month late. Yeah. Well, you gave it to me post Mother's Day.
I gave you a picture on Mother's Day.
That's right, you gave me a picture of it.
Of my order.
Which is perfect. We are putting my beehive into position. Gabe, tell me about the experience of building this beehive.
Well, it's a lot more complicated than what they say.
Yeah, they gave like one-page
us-
directions, which...
Yeah, a single paper with one page, and it had about 3 photos on it.
Yeah.
So,
So that didn't give a whole lot of explanation. So
Because we're Candersons, we figured it out.
we
my
figured
God,
it out.
okay. And because for some reason these aren't really connected, like they didn't have anything to attach them together, they're just kind of sitting on top of each other.
Yeah, which
So
can make for sliding.
if a deer comes by and happens to clip it, or a bear decides to rip it off for its honey,
Well, it's not going to last the bear attack anyway, so that's not an issue.
yeah, this thing's not the best.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll see how it works as far as, you know, the bees being happy. So Dad's just trying to level it out. Some chips down.
We'll level it out again. Don't worry.
Mr. Sarcasm. Good job there.
I'm hoping.
So this is what we're thinking. This first box is where the bees enter.
I think that's a vent.
Well, I think when you come to get the honey out, you can close that so the bees don't come out at you. I don't know. We are learning this. Or what we saw on a YouTube channel that knew what it was doing, unlike us. It said to put that on next.
Okay.
So go ahead and put that on next, Gabe.
Well, maybe they appeared, they knew what they were doing.
Yeah. Okay, so then we put the honeycomb box. Take the roof off, babe. Honeycomb box.
All right.
Okay, then we put the mesh on top, which is a queen separator.
Which,
I don't understand.
what?
We need to do some research.
Yeah, well, we got the box, so we'll start.
We got the box.
This thing. Barely
Oh, yeah.
So then these can open. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. See, even just trying to open the window pushes it out of whack.
Yeah.
Get that there and there. And then take that off, and then you can see when the honeybees come in. La 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 la.
a few words with the designer. If you designed this thing, you have to be the dumbest person on earth. There's no way to secure this. There's literally
Comments are banned.
no way to see. It just slides around.
So that was Gabe's commentary. Well, it could be that we're doing something wrong, Gabe.
Usually that's what we find.
That's what we find out. Usually it is that
Maybe
us,
they
our
should have made
issue.
better instructions if we are doing
That
something
is
wrong.
true. So here's my new beehive. Hopefully some bees will come in. I think we're going to buy some too, if you can do that.
Yep.
But I'm digging it. Ta-da! Where I can get my honey in the future.
Cool beans.
Sweetness. One of the other exciting things that is happening here, although not really on the ranch, it has to do more with our family, is that Gabe got a job for the summer and he is going to be a guide for a zipline company. Brie and I got the chance to go out and have them practice on us, which was an extremely fun day to say the least. Okay, there we go. So Brie and I are about to go ziplining where Gabe has his new job and they need people to practice on. So Brie and I are the guinea pigs. So hopefully we will make it through the day, but I'm pretty certain that we're going to have a blast. Are we ready, Brie Bear? Yeah. Yeah. So they get to practice ziplining all day long. And then they get to take people, and oh my God, this is like the most awesome job. I'm so envious. I wish I'd had a job like this when I was in high school. Oh, you made it! Good job, Brie. That was a big one. Did you look around? Sure. Oh, I'm taking a video. I didn't mean to do that, but I'll do it. Hey. I am. I wasn't paying attention. Good times.
All right, my friend Brie. Say this is gonna be fast. You can do it.
Yeah, girl.
Yes.
And remember to look around, enjoy the moment. Just once when you get to the end, then start paying attention.
All right, hands in riding position, please. Want to hang on to you? Perfect. Off you all, Brie. Woo!
Nice.
Oh, you're good. Let's see. Come on, Mom. I say here, at least we might have a warning because it's pretty good. Oh, my Lord. And we're off.
There comes Brie Bear. Nice.
Enjoy this last one. Have fun. Woo! Yes.
The biggest news that we have is that we have new additions to our family. So Skunk is Gabe's cat, and she was a rescue. And she was intended to be an outdoor mouse catching cat. And she is now like the family pet because she is just such a loving cat. We are not cat people. We have never had cats. She is our first experience with one with the kids. And we love her, completely and utterly love her. So we did not spay her intentionally. And I know some people will be like, oh, how dare you? You know, there's so many cats out there. But we decided we wanted just to kind of let things happen naturally and see what happened with her because we absolutely love her and would love to have more of her. And so she is, she's pregnant. Yeah, we're going to have kittens. So I get the first pick of her babies. And then Christian and Haley want one. And then there's a few other people who want one as well. So these kittens will definitely be going to really good homes. And they will be very, very loved, just as Skunk is.
So warm.
There you go.
Big Buddha belly. Big Buddha belly. Yeah, baby. Brie also got a surprise. She had been wanting a cat of her own, and we had been planning this prior to Skunk getting pregnant. And she was waiting for her baby Gizmo to finally be able to be separated from his mother and come home to us. And so Gabe surprised her one day and finally brought him home to her.
Hey, Brie.
Your baby's home. Gizmo's home. Let's meet this little. Isn't that cool? That's actually a dog carrier, but we.
Become a cat thing. Get my picture.
I know. Can you believe it? Cat family. Never would have dreamed. Skunk, you got a boy. Welcome home, cutie. Hi, Gizmo. Hi. You're a camera ham, huh? Yeah, you'll be a new star.
So he earns his keep.
That's the only way your dad can justify having cats. Careful, you're about to sit on the other cat.
Oh, hey, cat. How did we become a cat family?
I have no idea. There are. It's kind of nuts.
Pretty sure it's a boy.
Hey, he's got a penis right there.
Oh, man. You be good. Hey.
What? Just be
You
careful
got a
because
friend.
you never know.
I know.
Hi.
He's like, you gotta be kidding me.
Oh my God, that is hilarious.
Crazy.
Hey, Gizmo. You're so handsome. Welcome to your new home, cutie. Let's see how Gizmo's. Hey, guy. Hey. You enjoying your new life? Chilling on Christian's shoulder while he gets water. Kitty cat. Oh.
Oh, I think he just peed.
Oh no.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Gizmo is officially no longer Brie's cat. He has adopted Chuck. Oh my god, that's so stinking cute.
Kitty cat. As long as you kill mice, I'll keep you. You better be a Mauser.
Oh my gosh. Gizmo. You helping Daddy? Huh? You helping him do some work?
Cat.
I hope you enjoyed this video. I promise to have more on the log cabin and the chinking process that's been happening there. That will be coming up soon, as well as us starting to form the staircase that will lead up to the top of the tree and the loft of the cabin. So a lot of work has been done on that. So I'm really excited to come out with that video very soon to show you what has been happening. I hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you again very soon. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It helps out our future charity, the Refuge at Freedom Ranch, which more information will be coming out on that very soon as well. So take care, and may God bless you richly.